Hi everybody, I am trying a short video because I'm using a microphone so that a lot of people were saying they were having problems understanding what I was saying during recipes. So what I'm doing is trying out a microphone to see if that works better. So what I'm making today is a catfish fried po' boy sandwich with salad for dinner. So let me get my stuff together and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so what I've done is I've gotten my cornmeal together, and I usually season my cornmeal with the same spices that I put on my fish. And this has some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, fish seasoning, and I just whisk it together until it gets all nice and blended. And my fish, I've washed it and I've seasoned it, and it's ready to go into the grease. So I have my skillet preheating with the grease in it, and what I'll do is move you over closer to the fryer so that you can see all that goodness. Okay, so my grease has been, my skillet has preheated, and I always fry in a cast iron skillet because it holds the heat better for me, and I just like cooking in cast iron. So what I'm going to do is take my fish and rinse it in my cornmeal, and I don't put egg dip and all that stuff, just cornmeal and my seasonings. Makes your fish very, very crispy. And I'm just going to put all of this in. I'm not making a lot because it's just me, Steve, and I. So basically this is like one fillet, and I just took it with the kitchen scissors and cut it up. And as you can see, because I let the skillet get hot, it's already starting to fry. Let's put this all in here. I love fish. We just had fish the other day and I baked it, and it was so good. But I also like it fried, especially if I'm eating it in a sandwich. Now I could have left the fillet whole, but I didn't. And then also, I'm doing a no-no because I'm really kind of crowding the skillet. And usually when you put too much in at one time, it'll take the temperature down of your oil. So I'm going to get this fried up, and then I'll be back with you. So I'm getting my fish flipped over. And as I said, you don't have to put egg and all that stuff. Okay, so my fish is done. And one thing about when you're frying fish, you can't do it on a low heat, or it just, for me, it doesn't work. So I'm going to take it out. And I have my bread ready. I'm using a croissant because I'm using what I have today. And this is what I usually do when I'm hungry, and I'm hungry. I'm going to take my fish out and put it in on a paper towel so that it can catch some grease and not be and this is something fast that you could do. You know, you don't have to take a long time to get it together. Okay, so what I'm getting ready to do is to assemble my sandwich. And what I did is I used a croissant and I put it into the microwave to heat it up just for a little bit because I didn't want it cold. And then I'm just putting my fish on. I'm not adding any salad to the sandwich. Just the fish. Put that piece on. There we go. And I'm going to close it. And it really looks good. And you can put anything you want on your sandwich. I just happen to be using Thousand Island on mine because that's what I like. So let's get a taste of it. Okay, so I have my sandwich ready. This is my sandwich. And like I said, I put it on a croissant because that's the way I wanted it. And that's what I had. And then I want to go out and buy any, let me move this up again, special bread. So this is my salad. I'm having Caesar salad with it. And some ginger ale. So let's get a taste of this sandwich. Now you can, as I said, you can grill your bread if you want. You can use a different type of bread. It just all depends on what you want to use. So let's get a bite of this delicious, and like I said, I love fish. Here we go. Mmm. Very good. Seasoned real good. And goes very well with the salad. This is a quick dinner for you if you want to do something quick. And like I said, I just used one fillet. So my dinner's ready. I'm eating. I woke up this morning and I made a port wine cake for my father-in-law. He called me the other day and he says, "Can you make me a cake?" And I says, "Well, what kind of cake do you want?" And they were saying the rum cake. So I know he loves port wine. So what I did, let me give you a piece of it. And I made him this beautiful port wine cake. I'll have to do a recipe on it. But it looks delicious. I haven't tried it. So, like, share, and subscribe. Leave down in the comments if you could hear me better using the mic for these recipes. See you on another video.